continuing to sell off. Continuing to sell off. And I'm wondering if this 3160 as well as this 3220 with the 3320, 3160, 3220 against a 3320. In target, kind of spacing them out because I don't know how it's going to react. But this thing's coming in, and see if we get filled on any of it. BABA, not sure if that BABA is going to be able to get up. And I am close to getting a fill on this target, but it has not popped up yet. Here's Meta on lows. Meta tripping lows. That BABA looks a lot more vulnerable. And this target I did not get. I wonder if I need to move and be more aggressive on this target's about to hit lows here. Let's leave it where it is right now. Here's AMD coming into lows. Where's BABA? BABA coming into lows. Could not get any of that BABA on. BABA, new lows. This BABA looks very weak. What is Tesla doing? No man's land. Nvidia, no man's land. Amazon at lows. AMD. And there's Target hitting new lows. I did not get filled up here. Target new lows, 130 is the next low a day. Need to find a way into this target, but also in a safe manner. There's AMD with the pop. BABA with the pop. I wonder if I need to come down from 89.40. Here's Target. Can it get up into the mid 31s? No, no it can't. Nasty 30-cent spread on Target. ES pushing the highs. Target on lows. Target getting hit. Target below 130. I think I'm going to need to move this down to 31.90 or 31.20s probably against 32. I don't know. I don't know where did I have it originally? 33.30, somewhere up here. And now we're popping up above 31. Can we get up to the 50s? Let's see if this pop can make it happen. They get to the 20s, 40s. I did not get filled up there. Tesla on highs. I did not get filled up there in Target. BABA did not come up. Let's go over to Tesla. Tesla on highs, 23250, high day. Oh, I did get filled on my first target up here. I am looking to add a second one above 32. So piecing into this target, average price right now is 31.53. We're looking for new lows on that target. But there's Tesla going off to highs, and I wanted to go back to BABA. This BABA, I might need to step down to like 76 cents, or maybe down to like 88.90 or 89. 89 against 89.40. 89. against 89.40. And there goes BABA straight to lows, and I did not get it. And here is Target coming to lows, and I only got that one piece on. Let me set a flush level down here in case we just flush through these 30s and just drop half a point. I'll take it on that. If we can get down there. There's BABA on lows. Yeah, BABA feels like it's really in trouble. Wow, that BABA. Not really looking at this target because it's just working. I'm looking for that flush at 30. I think it just needs more time. It might come visit up here before it goes down there. Not sure I want to give all of that back, but it's so close to being able to flush that 30. There's a chance that it might just drop down before it goes up as well. So just kind of keeping an eye on it. Don't want to like jerk around and make too many movements. Just want to let it kind of work. It's really the first drive down here on the open. Here's the first pop in BABA. Can they flush these 30s? They got down to 95 cents. No, they're not going to flush them. I really want to see what it looks like down here at the bottom, at the low 30s. Here we are at 31 again. Popping up to the mid 31s. So it looks like I should have scalped it out down there. I did get BABA. Just got short BABA there at 96 cent average, 88.96. Looking for lows on BABA as well. But this target came all the way back. What's the low a day on BABA? The 30s? Gonna cover one on this BABA into lows. I mean, it looks like they're hitting them hard here. So, and this target, I might move this up to, yeah, the 30s. Just take it. Let's see if this BABA can come in further. 30s, 20s. Microsoft on highs. Kind of problematic that several of these names are coming to highs, but look at this daily here. It's making me want to sit in this and hold out. But I don't think that I should. I think I should probably scalp these out. Let's see if this can crack the 30s, this BABA. Microsoft's on highs. I'm going to set a new high a day there and jump straight back to BABA. Amazon continuing to bleed off. It's another one to take a look at and keep an eye on. And here is Target back up above. And there goes, oh, that's the wrong name. Here's BABA back down. 40s. I'd like to see them drop those 30s. Are really important here to drop these 30s. Otherwise, I probably need to start taking some profit. Target got all the way up. Can these 30s drop? Not seeing it. Amazon continues to get just all over the low ticker. Pop back up in this BABA. Don't like that. I might take it on this next push down to the 30s if we get it. AMD on lows as well. Let me go over to AMD and set a low a day. And here's target at 32. And I got the second fill at 32. What did I get it at? 24? 32.24. Average price is now 89 cents. So I got my full clip of target. BABA returning back. Had it down there in the 30s, and now she's popping all the way back. So 89 cent, 31.89 cent average here in target. Looking for a return back down to below 30. And BABA all the way back up. Feels like I should have scalped. Can these get back down to the low 88s? This target has a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. This is not looking good right now. Yeah. I feel like they're going to jam it first before they sell it off at all. And target jamming. Watching this target very carefully here. Gonna switch out to a 2-minute. And probably even a 5-minute here. And I really like this BABA. Almost want to get bigger here. Microsoft on highs, everything ripping up here. Feel like I should get bigger in this BABA. $0.40. Gonna try to offer more out at 10 cents here. Get bigger in this BABA. Microsoft, or this target not working. This target short not working. I think I need to find a way out here on this target short. Unless it starts to come in very soon. Close to getting filled on extras in BABA. Target not coming in. I was on the offer there in BABA, very close to getting filled. Did not get it at 10 cents. Got it there. Got even more BABA short there. Average price is now 3 cents. And this target and Tesla moving higher, AMD moving lower. Why can't I? AMD moving lower. AMD moving lower. What the heck? Target. Why is... There we go. And Bob was starting to work. And I'm thinking about cutting this target very soon here. I might get just stopped out here. I mean, I'm 10 cents away from getting stopped out on this target. Should have just scalped it out when I had it. Had a really nice opportunity there. Did not take it. Looking to see if they do flush this. I'm going to try to get out of this at a better price, but I don't like the way this target is setting up back into its pre-market range here and just not working. Can this target get back down? No, it's going to just rip up against up to 33. Oh man. Shoulda, coulda, woulda taken that there. We might get one chance for this to pop or to drop out, and I'm going to need to cover it on that dropout. Still within my risk, like my stop's still up here, so I'm still fine on the original risk, but this is not at all what I had in mind. So AMD keeps making new lows, but right now I need to keep my focus on this target. When it comes in, if it comes in before stopping me out, I'm gonna take it off. Here it starts to drop out. Let's see how far down they get. '80s. Can they drop out to 32? I haven't even looked at Baba. Baba's starting to come in. Can Baba crack again? Or is it going to recover? Everything appears to be recovering. And Baba's not really cracking these 90s or 80s. Let's see what happens. There's the 80s on Baba. And here's the 60s on target. Can they drop this out? Target's thin enough too where, I mean, this could just be the last stand, but I don't like the way that this is shaping up. Baba starting to come in. I'd like to see more though. Like to see more. This daily is just nasty looking. ES starting to come back down into its range. Dislike just sitting around waiting to get stopped out on names like this. Just trying to manage this trade. Again, stop still in place up here, and I will get knocked out. Yep, there it is. So, got knocked out at 35 cents on target, and I want to know when it's back below 132. Can I get these 80s here? Don't know if I can. And I might just hit the bid on this target. I'm going to hit the bid, and I'm going to set an 83-cent stop on this target. So hit the bid just to get in because I'm not getting filled at all. Average price is 29 cents, and we're going to see. I think this target's going to head to lows, but we'll see. 29 cent average price, stop 80 cents. So what does that look like here? I entered here, and there's my stop. This BABA just keeps flirting around. Target holding up above 31. Popping back up, but if it gets back up above 80, I don't really want to be in the short anyways. Looking for downward momentum, continued selling here. Kind of showed their hand with this pop out first day, like lots of conviction in the short now that it's back below, but if it gets back above 80 here, then that's not good. And we are popping straight back up there, so looks like I'm just completely misreading everything today. And there's BABA coming back in. And I might use this as an exit on BABA. I don't really like this. This trade's taken too long, and it's not what I was thinking. Very close to cutting this on BABA here. Yeah, I'm gonna I'm gonna cut BABA entirely. So cut BABA entirely and just letting that one go. It just unfortunate. What a great spot that was. Similar to target. In this target, our target on target here is, I mean, this is like turning into a trade to hold situation. Microsoft highs, Apple highs, not good. This is the first stop, second stop, but I'm probably going to get stopped out right here as everything rips to highs. So just a rough day. Apple on highs. Microsoft on highs. Will this target follow through? Gonna put target over here. Tesla on highs. AMD. Look at this beautiful AMD. That's pretty much textbook. Like, you don't need much else. That right there is enough. All this target's popping back up, and that's very close to getting a stop. Nvidia in pre-market range. SE still threshold. Amazon threshold. That's interesting. That's odd that Amazon is threshold. Apple near highs. Baba. Meta. Microsoft. Google coin. Is this seller gonna finally step up and start moving back below 31? Here's 31 coming up. Here's 31s. They're hitting them. Someone bought 31s. Someone bought those 31s. Tesla moving back up to highs. Microsoft highs. Google on highs. I'm gonna set a target down by 29, low 29s. See if we can get there on a flush. If we can, I'll just take it all there. It'll be a gap fill, but it lines up on some other longer term volume profiles as well, but we'd have to get that 20 or that 31 bid out of the way first. Microsoft continues inching higher. Tesla, AMD. Let's look what a 15-minute looks like. This target looks heavy on the 15-minute. What does BABA look like? That daily concerns me. What is this Kava? Kava group. So yeah, this first area here is what I'm targeting here on target, and it is kind of dependent and contingent on this 31 bid finally giving up. And there they go, they hit them, drop this 31s. There's a lot more work to be done though. And that SE, which is on threshold, and there goes target. There goes target, dropping the 31. Let's see if they make a run for the 30s. Nope, regains a 31. Tesla on highs. Concerning that we can't hold a 31 offer on target. Why is this offer not stepping down? The only reason I'm giving it this much time is because it is a day one type of play. I want to see that offer hold 31s and not lift back up. Start moving this order. I can't hold that 31 offer. Now everything's running to highs. There's still so much selling happening here. Target should easily be on highs with good earnings like that, and it's not. And that's this behavior is indicative of a seller in there, and I think that they have another one of these left um, in their bag, and I'd like to cover on the other end of that. Tesla coming in, BABA, AMD, Nvidia, Amazon on threshold, which is just very odd. It's a mega cap stock on threshold. It's very odd. There's another 31 offer in Target. They bring it back down. There you go. Let's see what they do this time. $80 offer, hitting the 60s. Step down to 60s, hitting the 50s. Now he's selling, stepping down to 60. You can see them selling. They're stepping down now. Let's see this offer step down and continue. Yep, there they go. There they go. Let's see what happens. Can they go hit 30? Next spot is 30. Let's see what happens down there. Basically low a day. BABA on highs, apparently. Yeah, there she goes, sucking straight back up in. Look at that selling there in Target. They're selling on the way down. Need to hold tight. Need to sit tight on this target. And that would have been a lovely spot to enter. I'd be probably getting out here if I had a better entry. Alas. Tesla, AMD, Nvidia, Amazon, Apple, BABA, Microsoft. I don't see much to even do about anything here. Just sit in this target until it hits lows. That's what my job is. Sit in this target till it hits lows. And pops back up above 31. Tesla coming back in. AMD coming back down to lows too. Yes, coming back in. Apple failed. Yep. This is watching paint dry. I really need to stay in this trade. The conviction I have that this will revisit lows, I just think it's very highly likely that it will see at least 130, and I need to sit tight in it. So I think rather than sitting and watching the paint dry, I'm gonna get up and go grab a coffee real quick, and then probably set a couple alerts just to alert me of anything changing. But um, but yeah, I'm gonna go grab a coffee refill.